Hello, everyone, and welcome to another helpful episode of English with Altaf. I'm Annie, and in today's video, we are going to talk about one of the best ideas to improve your English in a natural and fun way.
Hi viewers, I'm Altaf. Yes, today's topic is very interesting and extremely useful for anyone who wants to improve their English but doesn't know where to start. We're going to talk about a very simple but powerful idea that can really boost your English skills.
So, Altaf, before we share the best idea, let's just say this. Learning English doesn't need to be boring or difficult. You just need to use smart methods.
Exactly. And the method we are going to talk about today is called immersion. It's not a complicated word. Immersion means surrounding yourself with English in your daily life as much as possible.
That's right. You don't have to travel to an English-speaking country. You can create an English environment right in your home. For example, watching English movies, listening to English podcasts, reading books, and even changing your phone settings to English can help.
Yes, and one of the best things you can do is start thinking in English. That might sound strange at first, but it really works. Instead of translating from your native language, try to build your thoughts directly in English.
A great way to practice this is to describe what you're doing in English throughout the day. Like, I am brushing my teeth now, or I am cooking dinner. These simple sentences help your brain get used to English thinking.
And don't forget about talking to yourself. I know it sounds funny, but it's actually a powerful tool. You can talk about your day, your plans, or your feelings in English. You're not being judged, so it's a safe space to practice.
Also, labeling things in your house can help a lot. For example, stick a note on your mirror that says mirror, or on your fridge that says refrigerator. You'll see those words every day and remember them easily.
Immersion also means you should make English part of your hobbies. If you like cooking, try watching cooking videos in English. If you like sports, follow sports channels that speak English. This makes learning enjoyable.
And when you're watching videos or listening to something in English, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Focus on getting the general idea first. With time, your understanding will improve.
Yes, and use subtitles in the beginning. First, watch with subtitles in your native language, then switch to English subtitles, and finally watch without any subtitles. This step-by-step method helps a lot.
Another useful thing is to keep an English diary. Every night, just write a few lines about your day. For example, today I went to the market. I bought vegetables. It was hot outside. These small sentences will build your confidence.
Absolutely. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improves your grammar too. And don't forget to review what you write. See where you make mistakes and try to correct them.
Let's also talk about the importance of listening. Many people ignore this skill, but listening is the key to learning correct pronunciation, tone, and vocabulary.
Yes, and I always recommend listening to English songs or audio stories. Music makes learning fun and memorable. Just choose simple songs first, then move to more advanced ones.
So far, we've talked about thinking in English, listening, speaking to yourself, reading, and writing. All of this can be done through immersion. It's like living in an English world, even if you are not in an English-speaking country.
Let's be clear. Immersion doesn't mean learning for 10 hours a day. Even 30 minutes of focused English immersion daily can bring a big improvement in just a few weeks.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than long hours. Just make sure you practice English every single day, even if only for a short time.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. The more you use English, the better you will get. So speak freely and learn from your errors.
If you can, also try to join online English speaking groups or language exchange communities. Speaking with real people can boost your confidence and fluency.
Yes, practice with real people is very helpful. Even if your grammar is not perfect, don't be shy. People understand when you are trying to learn and improve.
To sum it up, immersion is the best idea to improve English naturally. It makes learning a part of your life, not just something you do in a classroom.
And remember, don't wait for the perfect time to start. Begin today. Use English in your life as much as you can. Watch, listen, speak, write, and think in English.
Today we've learned that you can improve your English without any expensive classes or special teachers. Just surround yourself with English through daily habits.
Yes, and with a little effort and a lot of consistency, your English will get better day by day. So go ahead and try immersion starting today.
Thank you so much for watching today's video on English with Altaf.
We'll see you in the next video with more simple and useful tips to improve your English. Keep learning and keep smiling.